Welcome to Match-Trader, the modern all-in-one trading platform designed for Forex and CFD trading. Its intuitive layout offers easy navigation and clear charting tools. Let's take a look at how to access Match-Trader and TradingView indicators and some of the basic configurations. Let's start by making more room by clicking the full screen icon. We can start by clicking the Add Indicator icon. With one of the simplest indicators, the simple moving average. You may scroll to look for any indicator or simply search. Select a period, 8 for example, a color, and a line thickness. The simple moving average, or SMA, is designed to look back over a specific number of candles, in this case 8, and plot the average price. Some traders will use the SMA as an indicator of momentum in bullish or bearish markets, or as a dynamic line of support. We can use moving average crosses by adding a second SMA with a much larger period, which reacts more slowly. Now we can see how the slower SMA reacts, giving us entry points when the two SMAs cross. Any indicator can be altered or configured by mousing over the label and clicking the pencil icon. And any indicator may be deleted by clicking the X. Another class of indicators called oscillators can be set up in a similar fashion. Select the parameters that work for you, and you may select any color and line thickness. Oscillators appear in a lower pane, and overbought and oversold signals on indicators such as the Stochastic oscillator, MACD, and RSI can give us reliable entry and exit points. Any indicator can be set up with any configuration, and we encourage you to backtest by scrolling backwards in time on the charts. The indicators remain on the charts and recalculate every time you change time intervals. Now, let's take a look at the basic indicators on the TradingView charts. Click here on the same Add Indicator icon, and you can see that TradingView has a much larger range of indicators. Let's try something different this time, and we can scroll or search for Bollinger Bands. TradingView places the indicator directly on the chart, but you can configure by hovering over the label and clicking on the Settings icon. In the case of Bollinger Bands, you really do not want to alter the setup, which consists of a 20-period moving average and bands 2 standard deviations above and below. You may change the color, line thickness, and background of the bands. In TradingView, you have the option of limiting visibility to certain time frames. In this case, for example, the Bollinger Bands will only appear on the daily time frame. You may also save the new configuration as a default, so next time you will be ready to go. You may also add oscillators like MACD and configure them to suit your style and save them as a default. Stay tuned for more videos on more advanced use of specific indicators. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this Match-Trader video series and your new exciting trading journey.